The Congress lived up all my expectations, and the organization of the Congress from the beginning, from the information, registration, our communication, feedback was organized perfect. It's very good and high-level scientific program, and invited competent speakers, lecturers from the 21 country of the world. But in future I expect more obstetrics and gynecology topics in the program. The venue of the Congress is perfect, and everything was good, the organization, and we spent very good time and had new contacts, and was beautiful.